AI isn't just changing the way we work, it's creating brand new ways to make money. In 2025, anyone with an internet connection can launch a side hustle using free or low-cost AI tools. In this video, we'll break down 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start today even if you have no experience. First, AI content writing. With tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can create blog posts, SEO articles, newsletters, and even scripts for clients. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or start a niche blog that earns through ads and affiliate marketing. Businesses are always looking for content, and AI helps you deliver it faster. Second, AI-powered graphic design. Tools like Canva AI and Midjourney let you design social media graphics, logos, and even book covers in minutes. People are already selling AI-generated designs on Etsy, Redbubble, and print-on-demand stores. It's one of the fastest ways to earn passive income while using AI. Third, AI video creation. With platforms like Pictory, Runway, and InVideo AI, you can turn scripts into videos instantly. Start a faceless YouTube channel or offer video editing services to small businesses. Video demand is exploding, and AI makes production much easier. Fourth, AI social media management. Tools like Copy.ai, ChatGPT, and Buffer AI can write captions, generate content calendars, and schedule posts. Many small businesses don't have time for social media, and you can manage it for them with AI help. This can quickly turn into a $500 to $2,000 per month recurring income stream. And finally, AI tutoring and consulting. If you know how to use AI tools, you can teach others, workshops, courses, or one-on-one coaching. Even creating a simple ebook can be sold on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. People are paying for AI workshops, online courses, and coaching sessions. These 5 AI-powered side hustles are just the beginning. The earlier you start, the bigger advantage you'll have in the future of work. Which of these side hustles would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools and money-making tips.